You are welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe before we go. This film you are watching, look under by the right hand side. You will see where the right subscribe. Use your finger to press. After subscribe, press the notification button and try to join the membership. Thank you. Let us go. I want to show you a tutorial on how to sharpen used to condemn wwmark clipper blade in form of Starex. Let me show you. Can you see it? You see it? You can see it. Down here. Yeah, this one I've been sharpening correctly. You can see the inner surface, total flatness and total shining across are shown. Tani o ti gbọ́ mi dé o ń bọ̀ wá. So lè nípa sí. Let me clean it. I will check the inside. Let me get it closer. Let us watch carefully. You can see that's not showing well. Yeah, you can see this black area. This black area is down. This black area is down. Yeah, you can see it in this way. This black area is down. So the stone has walked here, the back here to this side, then the back here to the other side here, then the back here. But this black area, you can see it in this way. This black area. Yes, one is. Báyọ̀ bóyá rìn díẹ̀ dání. Tó bá kúnná gidi náà. Yeah. Let me still show you again. Yeah, you see this black area again. This one is becoming fainting. This one self is becoming it's too show. This one show. This one self show. So we are still bringing it down a little bit. O lè fi igi pépà kékeré kan bù àbí kékeré ìkólẹ̀ yẹn tóbi. Mo ní kíní ìkólẹ̀ yẹn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ bí ògiri nísàlẹ̀sàlẹ̀ yẹn ìkólẹ̀. No, fi kíní ìkólẹ̀ yẹn bù ni ìkólẹ̀ yẹn ló látàrí ìlú bẹ́ẹ̀. Wo bí ìsàlẹ̀sàlẹ̀ bí àpò yẹn lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ páànù. Let us still watch again. You see the black still show a little, but let's still move it to the another direction. Yeah, you can see it. Let's go another time again. So down kó sí kíní kó lẹ́yìn tóbi ètí ìwọ nulẹ̀. Yeah. Just watch now. You see it now? You see it? You can see it. Then look at the small blade. This is the two. See it. Let me put this one back. Mo ń bọ̀ wá o. Ọmọ tí mo bá pọ́n bíléèdì ni. Àbó ti sùn ni?
Ọmọ tó pọ́n bí àbá
ó ti sùn. Kò dẹ̀ dáhùn. Yeah, can you see it now? When you can sharpen your clipper blade and you get sign like this, black carbon, cover the whole inner surface of it where the upper clipper blade and bottom clipper blade are touching, which means you are a real professional. When you treat it finish, you mount it in the clipper, you lubricate it, you test it with cutting of air. It's going to give you the best of the service. It's going to work like a new clipper blade or even better than the new clipper blade. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button and join the membership. Can you see it? Thank you, thank you, thank you.